Hey, today we are in Shipai, the one of the biggest urban villages in Guangzhou. A lot of people start their life in this city from here. I just want to show you what it feels like. So let's walk in. Well, we can see the streets get tight really fast. People anywhere, scooter anywhere. The shops here, food here, people moving around, everything's closed. But just outside of here, it's big malls, universities, the CBD, completely different. Like two different Guangzhous right next to each other. Shipai has been here for over 700 years, and today, around 300,000 people live in this area. Yeah, that's a lot of people in one place. It gets tight here. Scooters and people use the sand lane. Sometimes you kind of walk sideways. Okay, here it's get really narrow. The walls are almost touching each other. Okay, in here, it's a sunny day outside right now, but in here, no sunlight really gets in. You can feel the air get cooler too. Yeah, it kind of feels like a maze. But people who live here just know the way. If you look up, people use LVB of space here. Balconies, windows, wallways. Nothing really goes to waste. It looks a bit busy at first, but it's actually quite managing. There's a security post at the entrance, and cameras are pretty much everywhere. I've seen some security staff working around too. So you just kind of walk. It feels okay. And everything you need is just here. Food, convenience stores, smart clinics, a little hospital, schools, delivery stations. Hair salons too. You see one every few steps. There are film markets too. Trash store, lot of choices, and the prices are pretty good. Yeah, a lot of young people live here. Just go to Guangzhou, just starting out. Some work in shops, some do delivery, some just finish school. Feels like the place where a lot of stories start. Oh, that part opens a lot, more like here. That's a kindergarten. No kids today, it's a weekend. It's bigger than I expect. Playground, classroom, looks open us here. And it's not just young people here. A lot of older people spend time around this place too. Some are playing cards, some just talking. Slow afternoon energy. There are trophies on the shelves. Dragon bow, martial arts, little pieces of the past, still here. There's even a small square here, a stage, some benches. People use this space in different ways. So I'm going to take a look at a couple of rooms people rent here, just to see what it's like to live here. This one is around $550 a month. Single room, a desk down here, the bed up top. Some places here do daily rent too, just for short stays.
这个是2楼。
都有人住啊，这里都有人住。
啊，有个小阳台，你看一下。
哦，这里有窗。哦。
And this one is around 800. Higher floor, more light, a bit more space.
Ah, 这个800。
这个800。
It's brighter up here. Yeah, people use the hallway too.
Okay, I'm hungry. Try to it.
This is a pig chowder rice. Super common here. Cost is about 10 to 50 rand.
瘦点的还是要肥一点的？
哎，均匀一点的，中间，不要太肥，不要太瘦。Okay, let's see.
多点，那就可以。
Yeah, warm, soft, really nice. On the map, Shipai is just a dot. But for so many people, this is where life in the city really begins. Not perfect, not quiet, not easy, but real, human, alive. And sometimes that's enough. Enough to start, enough to keep going.